Which one we are discussing? Purchase acquisition.
Source list.
Contract.
Sure. Contract हो गया. We saved it. Okay, so let us we'll come back to that. Purchase info record also I have given the note. And consignment, source determination, purchase acquisition. Okay. Okay. So let us Miro. Let us go through this one, Miro one. Okay. This was the error which you solved it using this OMR2. Fine. So Miro is invoice verification. Invoice verification. For the others, I have mentioned the path. Okay, so here also I'll give you the path for what is called invoice verification. So let me log into the screen first. Control V. Windows R. Okay. Okay. So let us start. Okay, so for Miro, to go to logistics, go to material management, where we come what is called purchasing. Not here. Purchasing, inventory management, goods movement. Here it is. Miro. Okay. So Miro is, this is the part for our invoice, posting of invoice, document entry. Okay, so let me take the screenshot of this. New. Let's see. Okay, we'll start with logistics. New. And here it is. Copy it. So we need some additional space here. Insert, insert, insert. Okay. So for invoice verification, this is the path that we should follow for invoice verification. Okay. Transaction code is Myro. This is no more required. And you can see the accounting impact. Control C. Here we put the accounting impact. This is no more required. Here. Okay. And at the time of creation of, if you find this error, you can solve this error by using this one. Delete here. Now, let us discuss what is invoice verification. Okay. Invoice verification, posting of invoice is done after having received the goods. This is have to keep in mind, from the vendor. Then only invoice verification and this Myro you will play with the Myro from the vendor and after having completed the goods receipt. That is done in MyGo. Format cells aligned. The goods received. Full stop. The invoice. VOICE. The invoice received from a vendor is verified against cost, comma, quantity, and quality by the ordering party by the ordering party by the ordering party by the ordering party and then